Hey kids, let's talk about how to honor God. You're just a kid, right? Can you really honor God? Don't you have to wait until you're an adult or at least a teenager? Well, actually, the Bible has something to say about this. Ephesians 6. Children, obey your parents because you belong to the Lord, for this is the right thing to do. So there it is. That's how you honor God as a kid. It starts with obeying your parents. That's our main job as kids. Someday, we might be the parents, but right now, our parents are the parents. And we should obey them. And here's what the Bible promises. If you honor your father and mother, things will go well for you, and you will have a long life on earth. Now, I don't know about you, but I want to live a long time. There's a lot I want to do in my life. So what I'm going to do is obey my parents and honor God. Now hit pause. Talk about it with your parents.